All right, another G-Wagon 2025 G63 Brabus. This is number 8, I believe. We've done quite a few of them. We did a China blue one most recently, which was really, really nice. Honestly, one of the nicer ones, I think. We did this green one with green carbon. We did a tan khaki color with tan carbon on there. We did 2 matte blacks. We did a regular black. I'm forgetting what else we did. But here is a really nice dark gray colored G63. And this car is going all the way to Illinois. The car was purchased here and built here, but it's going to Illinois because they want that top quality job, and that's what they got right here. This has a full Brabus WideStar kit on there, meaning it has the front bumper, the flares, the rear bumper. Comes with all the lights. You got lights in the front bumper, you got lights on the sides where the side steps are, so you can see where you're stepping, which is a nice feature because stock Mercedes doesn't have lights there. We have the Brabus exhaust on there too. That's the traditional Brabus exhaust. We have obviously the new carbon fiber version 2 hood, which looks incredible. We have red stripes all over. We got red accents. The brakes were actually black on this car, so we did red brakes. We did the 700 kit as well, so you got the red 700 emblems on the back, the sides. You got the red B in the front to tie it all in together. This car was also lowered, so we lowered the suspension using springs, so it looks way cleaner, honestly, when you lower it. Nothing on the roof. As you can see, this customer opted out of the roof components. We also did the rear spare delete, so this is no spare tire on this G-Wagon, so the back has that square look. Looks really, really nice. Brabus wheels, of course, look incredible. We also did the Brabus Carbon Fiber Package 2, it's called, which is basically all these parts in carbon fiber, just to give it that extra little touch. Looks really, really nice. I'm forgetting probably a few things on it, but it's gonna go to Chicago. Really, really nice, clean Brabus B700 G63. So, hope you guys like it.
Yeah, so not as easy as everyone thinks this is. Even the customer thought it was an easy install, which is not. We are taking the complete rear end of the car apart to put this add this exhaust piece up. So it's a lot of work. Everything has to come out. So that's what we're doing, just for that. That's it. It's not loud. It is a hybrid. So put this back in the trunk, the hood, finish everything, and we're done.
I don't need to push anything. Look, like my Honda. Huh? Nah. This one. Por. Hey, hombre, don't embarrass me. Ya no quiso. No. Sí. So this is for we preparing these pieces for Cullinan, but we preparing for Happy Father's Day. Enjoy your day, man. This is I'm a father. I'm a grandfather too. I wanted to have a father, but I don't have. So I miss my dad. He died when I was only 5 to 6 years old. Don't remember.
What are you gonna do?
That's a little flashes. So for every son, hey, take care of your family, take care of your dad, your moms, everybody. You know, these days over here in California it's weird what happened over here in USA, but we love all your dads. We love all. We love all. We love all dads, you know. Happy Father's Day.
Can you see?
Yeah. So how come it doesn't shatter?
How come it doesn't shatter?
Yeah.
There's a tint on it.
You sure?
Nope.
I think these glasses are custom made, and the car doesn't start. This guy gave me the wrong key, bro. Place the key in the marked place. Where the fuck is the marked place?
Bad, bro.
Don't touch that, man.
It's about to forget. It's gonna fall right now.
Bro, very, very bad.
Let's tell them the story. What happened? I don't know if they can hear me because the engine though. We have a G-Wagon here. This customer was at a drive-through car wash, and I guess there's drive-through car wash. Some of them have like manual guys in there that do stuff, whatever. But the car's on a track, so it goes in. There's like a bar, and that bar failed to go up and smashed into this G-Wagon. The customer was in the vehicle, not Moses. The customer was in the vehicle, and he literally told me it was like a movie scene. He felt he was trapped in the car. Obviously, you can't drive it because it's on a track, and the car just keeps going forward. Smashes into that. He's in the car. Imagine you see that bar kind of coming towards your face. Window breaks, glass shatters all over him, and the car's still kind of going. So he puts it in reverse and reverses, but there's a car behind him. So it hits that car. Back end gets destroyed as well, and there you have it. Now it's at RDB. It's going through insurance, and we're going to be fixing all of this, and I think he wants to wrap it another color later, so why not get the best of both worlds? That's what RDB does. We were able to fix it, handle it through insurance, and then also change the color for him so it looks really nice to his liking. And he gets a bad situation, we turn it into a good, so there you have it. Body kits, too many cars, too much carbon fiber. It's getting a little overwhelming here. Like you can see here, we have a Mansory front grille for the GLS, and then next to it we have a black badge carbon for this Cullinan. As you can see, the carbons are different. We have all the flares for the Cullinan. We actually have two sets of Cullinans because we're doing a Tempest gray one behind me, black badge, and we're doing a white one also. So those two we're working on, and then the GLS63 Mansory kit we're working on. It's a lot of parts, but yeah, we're gonna play with these parts a little bit. We do the traditional Luis extra work to make it look nicer and spend extra money from RDB and not charge customers, so we lose a lot of money, and then I have to pay him a lot of money, and then he takes a vacation a couple times. So yeah, basically I lose a lot of money.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you for my happy Father's Day.
It's not Father's Day yet.
If you call vacation what I have the other day.
Yeah, called vacation.
Okay, yeah.
Mira.
Who's this skinnier?
Oh, yeah. You lost a little weight.
No tires.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Hey, sit down.
Yes, sir. There's two more.
Here, let me help you. You want to help us? No? You don't like it? The back? Yeah. It's okay. I got it. I got it. Oh, I was gonna get it.
Take a nap, Mo. Take a nap.